Today's subscriber shout out goes to, thank you guys for subscribing. Let's get into the video. Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified every time I make a video. So guys, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, today is my first day of school vlog. So pretty much, well, first day of work. Why do I keep saying school? But anyways, first day of work vlog. So pretty much I'm a teacher, so basically whenever school starts for the students, that's when work starts officially for me, because pretty much I've been, you know, doing like preparation and stuff like that, but officially today is the first day of school. I will not be having any like teaching today, so this is just like me preparing to go and address my form class. I don't think it will be on video today or anything like that, but we still just gotta be prepared and just, you know, prepare our minds and our bodies and such. So yes, I woke up at 6, as you guys see, and you guys saw the beginning and whatever. Right now I am gonna get some stuff ready for my Google Classroom for my form class, and then I'm gonna set my to-do list for both my personal self and for school, or what I need to get done for the school day. So yes, and then I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. Oh yes, I'm gonna do my morning routine for my hair, my face, and such like that, because I've started something like that. So in the future I'll probably have like a morning routine and a skincare routine for you guys, hair care routine, whatever, for the morning and for evening and for whatever. So right now, as I said, I'm gonna get that done. So yeah. But yes guys, I bought this bonnet in Kelly's, and I'm so loving this. I'm gonna buy like a few more. They're so cute and they're so comfortable. It's so comfortable right here, so comfortable. Anyways, so that's not the point. So I did show this before, but I'm not gonna use that clip, so I'm gonna show them now. I ended up not making this properly though. I made this on the computer, and I was supposed to have a little more boxes, but I didn't. But anyways, I don't have anything on it right now. These need to rub off, and I write up today's to-do list. This was from September 1. From September 1 I haven't written a next to-do list, and I did most of these and I didn't take them off. So I'm gonna start, you know, using up my list and such like that. So this is for like the daily things, and this is like just monthly stuff, if you can hold. And then the one I had here I'm gonna keep using for YouTube stuff, so that's what that's gonna be and such like that. Alright guys, so I had this folder like forever ago, and I decided to use it, and I put 2 stickers on it. I didn't put this on it, this came on it. This and my no bad days. So I'm gonna be using this as my school folder, because I normally write down like content that I'm gonna teach or things that I have to do and such like that. So pretty much the first section is gonna be my form. So I just put some stickers on it that says form. So yeah, these are things I need to like do throughout this day and whatever. So I have a few papers on that, and then next ones I have for each class. So grade 7, this is gonna be grade 7's part. Then I have grade 8, it's gonna be grade 8, 9, 10, and 11 and such like that, and then just some extras. Guys, just look at my cute background. I hardly show these, but yeah, it's now 7:15, and I'm gonna register myself on my tablet at 7:30, so I need to go get that. bathroom. For those who don't know, it's, yeah, I feel like I showed this bathroom a lot. Anyways, so I'm just gonna get my skincare done and then go back to the room and get my hair. Or I should have combed my hair first. I forgot. But anyways, I'm gonna just do the skincare first. On my routine, I have hair care first. Anyways, let's do that.